what's your good name?
Saket Pandey.
Saqib Pandey. In which class do you study?
My B.Ed, STET, CTET, all are completed.
Oh, you have completed B.Ed, CTET
B.Ed.
also.
Yeah.
What does your father do?
My father is worships in Sadbahini Mandir in Amba.
Oh, temple. So you are
Brahman Pandit.
Brahman. Okay, very good, very good. Nice to meet you. And what's the name of your father?
Srinath Pandey.
Very good. From where have you come?
I am just coming from Kutumba Amba.
Yes. So in which connection have you come here?
Many
Yes.
many suggest me about this. For some time, means before 2 and 3 years, I lost these books. I am very excited to how to purchase.
Okay, you are talking about this book.
Yes, Siddiqui Practical Guide to Spoken English.
Okay, so you have come to buy this.
Yes, I am a great fan of this book. I learnt and studied the different kinds of the English grammar books like Rani Ma'am, along with Lucents. But what kinds of materials I need? All things are mentioned in these books. So I am very eager to purchase these books.
Okay, I think you have come here for the second time.
Yes, second time.
Yes.
Before I met you, but I have some problem. I am unable to purchase these books, but in the recent periods, I am able to purchase the books. I am really very happy to find these books.
Okay, so you have
Thanks for cooperating with me.
Okay. So who suggested you to buy this book?
There are so many teachers also joined in these institutions, like my favorite teachers Meng Bhushan Singh, director of this Boon Public Schools,
Okay.
also suggest me before the many times, and Sarfraz sir, Yusuf sir, along with Mahfouz sir. Many times I'm talking about the Siddiqui institutions, but I'm unable to find a way the Siddiqui institutions. Finally, some Yusuf sir is the director of Paradise Coaching Center in Colony Amba, Irka, perhaps. He one day I'm come with that persons, and he also instruct me. This is the Siddiqui institution, which is very famous. So I know this is the institution. Is
How do you feel today after coming here?
really very fine, sir.
Very fine. So would you like to tell which quality do you find in this book? Because you have told that there are so many books of English grammar.
Yes.
So which quality have you seen in this book?
Many students are able to speak fluent English. They enhance their grammar correctness, enhance the vocabularies. But only vocabularies is not responsible for able to fluently English.
Speak English fluently, yes.
Some prepositional words, some conditional words helps you and guide and assist to fluently English. And proverbs as well as items, all the things are mentioned, or
Okay.
what kinds of words I need, all things are mentioned. So I like these
Okay.
books most.
Very good. So you are interested in English.
Yes, I'm eager to how to matlab, many times I listened the fluently speaking style of the many personalities. I want to try the same, but some hesitations I have. I'm unable, but I think through these books
No,
maybe I'm able.
Yes. If you face any problem in future, you can directly call me. You can come. You can join my coaching also.
Okay,
So
thanks.
may God give you success. May your future shine like the moon in the sky.
Thanks for complimenting, sir. I'm really happy.
Okay. May God give you success. Thank you.
Okay.